Hi guys, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen, and today we're gonna do a jerk chicken Jamaican style. And these are the ingredients we're gonna use today for the jerk. We have the pimento, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 chopped onion, ginger, 2 teaspoons of sugar, garlic, 2 chili pepper, some thyme, and some jerk. I have to have the Wakazu jerk seasoning, barbecue sauce, meat browning. So now we're gonna put everything inside the blender. Now the cut of this spring onion big, just cut them up around big like that, kind of gonna chop up in the blender. Chili pepper, don't have to cut it, just throw it in. Squeeze it down with a spoon. So that is 4 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. Now I'm gonna rub in all of the seasoning into the chicken. So I need to get everything right down in the chicken like that. Where you can smell that seasoning. So you need to get all of the seasoning all over the chicken.
Well, Daddy, I'm trying to turn this lock on, but it's not turning it on.
So guys, we're gonna let it soak like that, make it marinate for around an hour, and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do after.
Mommy.
Alright guys, this took out the chicken out the oven. Put it in for 20 minutes, and that's what it look like now. So now I just gonna stuck it on the grill. So when you put it in the oven for 20 minutes, you spend a lot of time, less time. That's what it look like when we just take it out of the oven. Nice and juicy. A lot of people have them different ways to do barbecue or jerk chicken, but this is my way. Everybody have their own opinion and their own likes, but I think this is the easiest way. In my opinion, I think this is the best way. Because sometimes you buy jerk chicken or somewhere, when you bite it, it don't cook properly right through. So that's why I marinate it for an hour when I seasoned up it. And then after I stuck it in the oven for 20 minutes, seal it with file paper, put the oven like around 350, and ready to go on the grill. You can smell that chili, that pimento, that garlic, that onion, that all-purpose, that spring onion. Everything that's coming out. That barbecue sauce, that jerk sauce. Look at that, people. Oh my god, I cannot wait to taste it. That's Maris out there spinning the umbrella. Alright, this sauce, you need to get the chicken moist. I don't want it too dry. So when I'm doing this now, get the chicken nice and juicy. So when you eat the chicken, you can taste that seasoning and that good flavor that's rising out of it.
Oh, this is so cool.
Is this cool, Marissa?
No, this is cool. Check Because I'm on the wing.
Marissa, she always want to be what daddy doing in the kitchen. What the daddy cooking.
I'm doing the farming video too.
Turn this over to the next side.
Turn it over. Can I press the video please? Why you shake your head right there? Be careful of this side because this is metal. I always be very careful because this is metal gray. That's so hot and spicy.
So hot and spicy, Marissa.
Yeah.
Remember, the secret sauce is honey, garlic, ginger, chili pepper, spring onion, thyme. In Jamaica we call it scallion, but thyme, and a little bit all-purpose season and jerk season. Oh, look at that, falling off the bone already.
Daddy, the fire's going through.
Fire's going through.
Yeah. I just saw it going through. It's going up, 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 and you put the chicken on the fire. Hi, 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 hi. Welcome to this treasure. And welcome to Daddy's family video. So come down below, do you like Daddy's family video and subscribe to the nearest button.
Marissa say comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you like the video. The thumbs up, share the video, and we see you in the next cooking.
Nice.
That's it, guys. That's Jamaican jerk chicken, Jamaican style. See, Marissa asked me down there if I'm okay. Yes, I'm okay, Marissa. Guys, I'm telling you, you guys want to taste this chicken. You just melt off the bone. So, if you like the video, please comment, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next video and in the kitchen. So subscribe to the channel, share the video, and put a thumbs up if you like the video. Oh, this chicken is so nice. See that, guys? Soak right through.